Hello guys, welcome back to our video. We are going to start our Ansible playlist from this video. The things we are going to discuss in this video is what is Ansible and what are the advantages of Ansible. So let's get started. What is Ansible? Ansible automates the configuration management, cloud provisioning, application deployment, and orchestration. Ansible is used as a configuration management tool. It is used to store the current state of a system and helps to maintain that state. It executes all the tasks declared in the Ansible playbook and helps in automating all the manual tasks. All the manual tasks you are performing, the Ansible, if you use Ansible playbook, all manual tasks will be automated. Ansible works by connecting to the nodes or servers and executing small programs via SSH called Ansible modules. The small programs which you write are called Ansible modules. These programs are written to resource models of the desired state of the system. Ansible, when executed, these modules over SSH and removes when finished. This line means that when you write a module or write a task, first Ansible connects to the server, to the target host via SSH, and after connecting via SSH, it executes that task, and after completing the task, it closes the connection. That's all. So Ansible is really basic. It's just an automation tool. We can perform all the tasks which we want to automate all our tasks, all our manual tasks. Why we use Ansible? What are the key advantages of using Ansible? We are going to see in the next slide. Advantages of Ansible. First, lightweight and quick to deploy. It is very lightweight and very easy to install. Free and open source. Everyone can use it. Everyone can install for free. Agentless. It is an agentless tool and uses SSH protocol. We don't need any agent to access to run playbook. Ansible only uses the SSH model to connect to the target host. No agent, no middleman. It directly connects to the server via SSH. Uses a YML syntax. All the playbooks written in Ansible roles are in YML syntax. It is developed in Python. Ansible is developed in Python. It uses Python modules, basically. Flexible system requirements. We don't need specific system requirements that you need this much RAM, this much memory. No, it is really flexible. You all can install Ansible. What were the key takeaway from the video? Advantages of Ansible. These main advantages. What was Ansible? Ansible was an automation tool. How Ansible connects to the target host? It connects to the target host with SSH model. These are the basic introduction and the advantages which we discuss in this video. So guys, let's meet in the next video where we will discuss further about the architecture of Ansible. Thanks guys for watching our video. Do subscribe our channel. Thank you.